Morning gardeners, hi, this is Steven from Barlow's. It's another episode of Barlow's TV. Just giving you a quick tidbit on what to do with your lawns. So it's the beginning of April, the forsythias are blooming. That's when I know it's time to get out there and fertilize my lawn and put my weed preventer down. I like to recommend the Jonathan Green product. They're a local company. They started right here in Monmouth County, New Jersey, and they're a great brand. This would be considered the step one. This is the GreenUp and the crabgrass preventer. This is what you would want to put on your lawn right now, especially right before it rains or right before you're going to irrigate. That way this fertilizer will get into the root system of the grass and help to push up new growth when the sun starts to come out and it starts to get really nice out. The other thing I recommend doing right now all the time is to put some type of lime down on your lawn. Most of our lawns around here, they have very acidic soil. That's from the rain that drops the pH. So when you put something called Magickal down, that's almost like a slow release lime that'll help to strengthen those roots, loosen up that soil, and just help that grass take up the nutrients it needs. Hope you got some good tips out of this video, so get out there and feed your lawn today. Have a great day.